Hello everyone, welcome to Jeda AI YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can analyze your documents using Jeda AI. So let me show you. First of all, you have to make a workspace of Jeda AI. So now you can see there are some options here like universal analysis, mind map, flowchart, and in the bottom of this menu you can see the document inside. Just click on it and now you can upload some documents. Just make sure there is no document file connected, blah blah blah, and upload limit per workspace is 10 files, so you can upload up to 10 files, which is 20 MB for each supported document file, docx, pdf, rtf, txt. For faster response, reduce file size and selection. So if you need the faster response, you have to reduce the file size. Actually you can do it by using pdf compressor. Just type it like this and then you can see I love pdf. I really recommend this site because it will reduce your file size, okay, mostly possible size. And now I'm not going to do that. Here I got a pdf compare profile of Sinhala apps. Now I'm going to upload this here by using this one and then upload file, and I'm going to upload the company profile of Sinhala apps, and then it will be uploaded here. Wait, okay, cool, now it's uploaded. Here I'm going to ask some questions from this document. First of all, I will show you what are the contents of this profile. Actually this is a dummy thing, okay. Double click on this, then you can see the preview of the sinhalapps.pdf, and now you can see what are the pages. Actually it includes only 6 pages. So it has our mission, our vision, and those are the things that you can get. And first of all, I'm going to ask from this document what is the mission of the document, okay. And first of all, you have to click on this file list and then click this document, and you can select multiple documents also. Here I'm going to select this cog icon and I have to select what should I generate. Actually maybe wireframe, flowchart, mind map, analysis, and maybe sticky note. Okay, I'm going to use the text mode here, and now I need to select the AI model. I'm going to use the Llama model, Llama 70 billion parameters model, and then I'm going to ask some questions from this document. Okay, what is the mission? What is the mission? And then I'm going to click on this button. Okay, great. Actually you can see it looks like you provided the mission statement of Sinhala Cabs and Tours, which is the mission of Sinhala Cabs and Tours is to deliver exceptional transportation and to experiences that exceed customer expectations. So this is the mission, and this mission statement is concise, clear, and focused on customer satisfaction. It sets stressing the importance of providing exceptional experience that meet or exceed customer expectation. This is great, right? I'm going to double click this and then I'm going to check what is the mission I got on the file. Okay, where's the mission? At Sinhala Cabs and Tours, our mission is to deliver exceptional transportation and our experiences that exceed customer expectations. So that's the mission. So great, Jeda AI. So you have done a great job. Now I'm going to ask to rewrite the mission. Now you can see the mission is here, right? Now I'm going to rewrite this. First of all, I need to take this out of this. Just Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Like this, then you have to double click on this and then go to the end of the sentence and type slash. Here you can add this text option. Before that you have to make sure that you have already typed rewrite the above mission, and then you can type slash, then click on this text option here. Now it will generate something, right? Okay, cool. Here's the rewritten version of the mission statement. At Sinhala Cabs and Tours, our mission is to provide unparalleled transportation and tour services that surpass customer expectations, blah blah blah. Okay, now you can see how we can work with the documents, and also after getting the contents, then we can change them as we need, and you can do a lot of things. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope this tutorial will help you a lot. Thank you very much. Bye.